The Klasarov Acro is a small, single-seat electric flying vehicle made for fun and luxury. It has 6 special rotors that let it move in any direction and perform full 3D aerobatic maneuvers. The lightweight frame is 3D printed and includes a secure harness for the pilot, a clear tilting canopy for great views, and a dual joystick setup, no foot pedals needed. Safety features include a ballistic parachute and a planned dock-in charging system. Its electric propulsion is quiet and allows it to land in tight spaces, like on yachts, even in tricky weather. Weighing about 200 kilograms empty and 280 kilograms fully loaded, it carries one person and some light gear. It can cruise at up to 102 kilometers per hour to meet ultralight rules. The Gove is a small 2-seater electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically. Made by Aleph Aeronautics, it can also drive on roads for up to 60 miles, 97 kilometers. It has 8 electric motors and a battery that recharges in about 2 hours. In the air, it can reach 160 miles per hour, 257 kilometers per hour, with a range of 177 miles, 285 kilometers. The Gove is designed for easy operation by a single pilot and includes safety features like redundant flight controls and a parachute system. It is expected to be available in 2025, starting at $299,999. Its compact design makes it suitable for both urban travel and longer regional trips. The Gove aims to combine the convenience of a car with the speed and freedom of flying. The E-Copter is a small electric air taxi designed for city and suburban travel. It's made for one person and can carry a passenger or cargo, with a maximum takeoff weight of 360 kg. It runs fully on electricity, producing zero carbon dioxide emissions, making it eco-friendly compared to regular helicopters. The E-Copter can fly up to 130 km per hour and stay in the air for about 30 minutes on a single charge. Its compact size and low noise make it a practical and sustainable way to get around crowded areas quickly. Its small size allows it to take off and land in tight spaces like rooftops or small pads. The E-Copter is designed to make short urban flights faster and more convenient than traditional road travel. The Land Aircraft Carrier by Xpeng Aero HT is a futuristic vehicle that can both drive and fly. It has a smart 2-part design. One part works as a tough 6x6 all-terrain vehicle, and the other part is an aircraft made for vertical takeoff and low-altitude flying. The vehicle can automatically separate and reconnect its driving and flying sections, making it easy to switch between road and air travel. It uses an advanced 800 volts electric power system and can drive more than 1,000 kilometers on the ground while also storing enough energy for multiple short flights. This concept shows how future travel could move smoothly between land and air. The Volonaut Airbike is a futuristic flying vehicle that feels like stepping into a sci-fi world. You sit in an open, minimalist frame with no cockpit or visible propellers, giving a full 360 degrees view of your surroundings. It is powered by microjet turbines and guided by a smart flight computer that responds to your movements, making it feel like an extension of your body. Weighing only 30 to 40 kilograms, it is incredibly light and agile. The airbike can fly through forests and canyons at speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour, and lands gently on its specially designed supports. With just 10 minutes of flight, it delivers a thrilling, untamed experience, giving riders an intense sense of freedom and connection to the air. It's perfect for adventure seekers who want an extreme, immersive flying experience in a compact, high-speed vehicle. The XTURISMO is a personal flying vehicle, also known as a hoverbike, developed by the Japanese company AERWINS Technologies. It is one of the first commercial VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft designed for individual use. It is powered by a mix of an internal combustion engine and batteries. The vehicle has 2 large propellers underneath and 4 smaller fans on the sides to help with movement and direction. The Zapata Ezfly is an extreme personal flying device created by Frankie Zapata, the same innovator behind the Flyboard Air. Unlike traditional aircraft, it has no cockpit, seat, or harness. You simply stand on it, making it feel like a flying platform or jet-powered hoverboard. It uses small turbojet engines and smart stabilization systems to stay balanced in the air. The rider controls it by shifting body weight and using hand grips. The Ezfly can take off from different surfaces like the ground or even water, and it can reach speeds of around 80 miles per hour. The Hero Flyer Manned Drone 03 is a full-scale electric flying vehicle designed for entertainment and promotional use. It is developed by Hoversurf and focuses on safe and controlled personal flight. The aircraft uses multiple electric rotors for vertical takeoff and landing. It is designed to keep flight stable even in case of system failure. It uses a modular power system where each motor works independently. This helps improve safety and reliability during flight. It also includes backup stabilization systems for extra protection. The system does not rely only on GPS or external signals. The Copter Pack is an innovative electric backpack helicopter designed to change the way people travel. With its lightweight frame and modern technology, it lets you fly freely and easily, offering a whole new kind of personal transportation. Imagine gliding over city streets, exploring remote areas, or even flying to work, all in a fast, fun, and efficient way. It's built with simple, easy-to-use controls and strong safety features, making it suitable for many users. The electric motors provide a quiet and smooth flight, reducing noise while keeping performance high. As personal aviation continues to advance, the Copter Pack represents a bold step toward the future, a world where flying becomes as simple and accessible as everyday travel, and the sky truly is within reach. The Mansory Flying Hypercar is a futuristic concept that combines a supercar with flying technology. It is designed by Mansory, known for creating extreme luxury and high-performance vehicles. This concept blends road driving power with vertical takeoff, VTOL, flightability. It represents a vision of future transportation where cars can also fly. The vehicle is expected to use a hybrid system combining electric thrust and a powerful engine. It is built with lightweight carbon fiber materials for speed and efficiency. On the road, it may reach speeds above 250 miles per hour. In the air, it could potentially cruise at around 300 kilometers per hour. The price is estimated between $2 million and $3.5 million. The Vertical Aerospace VX4 is an all-electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft designed to change urban travel. With a sleek frame and 8 powerful rotors, it takes off like a helicopter and flies like a plane. It can carry 2 passengers up to 160 kilometers at speeds of 160 kilometers per hour, producing 0 emissions. Its lightweight carbon composite body improves performance and gives it a futuristic, modern look. Inside, the cabin is quiet, smooth, and comfortable, making it ideal for short city flights or regional trips. Safety is a priority, with aviation-grade systems and redundant flight controls ensuring secure operation. The VX4 offers a glimpse into the future of clean, fast, and efficient urban air mobility. Its design combines speed, comfort. The Flying Gondola is a futuristic personal air vehicle designed to change how people travel. It's a hybrid aircraft that can take off and land vertically like a drone, while offering the comfort and stability of a gondola. It uses special 4D gravity technology to keep flights smooth and steady, even in tough conditions. With both rotating and fixed wings, it can smoothly switch between vertical and forward flight. This makes it well suited for city and suburban travel and points toward a future where air travel is safer, cleaner, and more accessible for everyone. The Fly EVTOL is a futuristic vehicle that works as both an electric car and a flying aircraft. You can drive it on normal roads and highways, then switch to flying when you need to avoid traffic or travel longer distances. It runs on electric motors and can travel up to 250 miles on a single charge. Its compact design, smart aerodynamics, and built-in safety features make it efficient and easy to use. Overall, the Fly shows a new way of traveling that is flexible, eco-friendly, and designed for the future, It is designed to park in regular parking spaces just like a normal car. The vehicle is aimed at everyday users, not just pilots, making flying more accessible. It can switch between driving and flying modes with minimal effort. The quiet electric system helps reduce noise in cities and suburbs. Its design focuses on safety to make first-time flyers feel confident. The vehicle could save hours of travel time on long or traffic-heavy routes.